Hello and welcome to this tutorial on ProQuest Statistical Insight. This tutorial will cover how to access ProQuest Statistical Insight, what kind of information is available, and how to do a search. To get started, visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. When you get to the Parish Library homepage, access the list of business databases. ProQuest Statistical Insight is on this list. ProQuest Statistical Insight provides access to statistical information produced by U.S. federal agencies, state governments, private organizations, and major international governmental organizations. This is the interface for ProQuest Statistical Insight. At the top of the page, you'll find the search box. To the left of the search box, you'll see a list of search types, including basic and advanced searches. To the right of the search box, you'll find an explanation of how a basic search works with an example of a search. Also to the right of the search box are statistics pulled from recent news topics that can be useful for quick browsing. Let's do a basic search for traffic accidents and look at information from the last 2 years. Here are our results. We can sort our results by relevance or by date. We can also narrow our results down by date covered or date published, the source, such as federal or state agencies, the country or region, local area, and subject. We also have the option to look at breakdowns by age, income, marital status, and more. Once you've selected a report, you'll see the title information at the top, bib data, abstract, and some terms related to the report. You'll also find copyright information at the bottom of the page. You'll need to click on the PDF icon under the PDF section near the bottom of the page to download the report. If you don't see the report download in your browser, check the Downloads folder on your computer. Please note that the email and print options at the top of the page only include the abstract. They do not print or email the full report. You can modify your search by clicking Modify Search at the top of the page under the search bar. If at any time you need help using ProQuest Statistical Insight, click on the Help button in the upper right corner of the page to download the help guide. Now you know how to access ProQuest Statistical Insight, what kind of information is available, and how to do a search. If you have any questions, please contact us at parlib@purdue.edu. Thank you.